Stop overcomplicating weight loss, ladies and gents. You're overcomplicating eating. You're tracking how much water you're drinking. You're tracking all of the calories you're burning. You're buying your friends, sisters, dogs, goldfish, network marketing products that are never going to make you lose body fat. You're killing yourself in the gym. You're doing hours and hours of cardio. This weight loss thing is so simple. And that is my goal, to make it as simple as possible for you guys. I give you guys the entire step-by-step plan. But where I see the most confusion when it comes to weight loss is the eating. Everyone is eating whatever they want, or they're afraid of this or afraid of that. I always say, stop being afraid of the food and just actually eat food. Eat real food. Stop eating products down your grocery store aisle. It's just products, empty calories, full of garbage. That's not going to help benefit your body whatsoever. And when it comes to tracking the calories, people are very confused with that part too. But like I said, in the step-by-step plan, I break down how to track calories as simple as possible. You honestly don't even need an app anymore on how to track calories. You'll literally just Google how many calories are in this, put it on a food scale, and you're good to go. It's literally that simple. But when it comes to confusion of what to eat, how much to eat, but even making the meals, y'all are trying to be like Betty Crocker and go on Pinterest and have like 20,000 ingredients for a meal. If you guys follow me on Instagram or Facebook and you guys watch my vlog, I share all of my meals with you guys. I show you exactly what I'm eating throughout the day. And as you guys will see, it's literally just meat and veggies. I do different spices, I'll do different seasonings, different sauces and stuff like that. I'll add the balsamic vinaigrette dressings, different dressings to the veggies to change up the flavor or whatnot, so it's not boring, but your food shouldn't be the excitement in your day. And that is where I feel as if so many people are going wrong, is with that. Food shouldn't be the excitement in your day. You shouldn't be looking forward to your dinner. Yeah, are you looking forward to eat, feed your body the nutrients so you have more energy? Absolutely. But I see a lot of people are so confused with the eating side and making dinners and stuff like that. You don't need 10,000 different items. You can literally do a great, fat, delicious ribeye steak. Once you get that ribeye steak in, then once we go with that ribeye, add a veggie to it. Any veggie you want. Throw some spices on there. Do different types of seasonings. Do pork chops. Do steak and eggs. Remember, ladies and gents, for breakfast, you don't have to have so-called breakfast food. If you don't like eggs, don't make eggs. That's why I do True Meal in the morning with the collagen. It's one simple meal. You don't have to think about it. 2 scoops of True Meal, boom, done. You got a meal in seconds. But if you want to have ground beef, peas, and cheese, that's like the most Betty Crocker thing I'll ever do. Shoot, you want to have True Meal cookies, True Meal muffins, True Meal pancakes, True Meal waffles. You could. But if you don't have time to eat, I don't blame ya. But stop making this nutrition thing super confusing. It's not. Out of all the frozen dinners, I honestly wouldn't eat any of them. You're paying $3 to $8 for a TV dinner that doesn't even have that much nutritional value in it. It's going to have less protein than you would if you did literally True Meal, because it's 50 grams of protein in it. But with the eating side of it, if you truly just actually ate, if you were to eat to live instead of living to eat, you'd look at food completely differently. You got a plate of cookies, you got a plate of a ribeye steak. What are you getting out of the cookies? You're getting a ton of fats, and you're getting a ton of carbs and sugars with it. You're going to feel bloated. You're not going to be satisfied. In 30 minutes, you're going to want to eat again because it's going to be digested so quickly. But if you did a ribeye steak, you're going to get a ton of fats, ton of protein, vitamins, and minerals. You're going to actually stay full. And you're going to hit your calories, and your blood sugars are not going to skyrocket. It's going to help crave the carb and sugar cravings. That's the beauty of this. You change what you're eating. You stop eating all the garbage out of a box, and you're eating real food. People are always so confused when I say real food. That was a mind-boggling thing to me. It's real food. Meat, veggies, nuts, seeds, fruit, dairy. I just don't drink milk. And eat the whole egg. Your carb and sugar cravings will be gone within 3 to 5 days. You'll have more energy because you're actually taking in the right amount of calories. That's why all of you ladies and gents are so tired all the time. It's because you're starving yourself. You're not giving your body the energy that it needs to use as fuel from the calories you're taking in from high nutrient dense foods. Then all of a sudden your hormones start changing for the better. There's a reason why so many people are struggling with weight loss, being insulin resistant, having PCOS. PCOS, it affects your hormones in a negative way. But I've seen so many women change their nutrition this way, and all of a sudden they're losing body fat. They're getting healthy. I've had clients tell me that their doctors told them, PCOS is not an issue for you anymore. Just with changing the nutrition. All of the garbage products on the shelves in your grocery store is the reason Americans are dying of heart disease. The number one cause of death in the United States is heart disease. If you went to the grocery store and all you were allowed to get, if the only thing that was readily available was meat, veggies, nuts, seeds, fruit, real food, heart disease wouldn't be the number one cause of death in the United States. It wouldn't. Guess what? You know who else would be hurting? All the pharmaceutical companies. Because when you eat the garbage, you get unhealthy. When you're unhealthy, who prescribes you drugs? Because of eating all the garbage. Change what you're eating. See your health completely change. You'll be mind blown of what happens. You'll be mind blown. Stop doing diets. Stop doing keto. Stop doing Atkins. Stop doing carnivore. Just eat real food. Stop doing diets. There's no reason to put a title on it. Let's be real. All of you ladies put a title on and all of a sudden the crazy comes out. Don't worry about the titles. Just eat. Hit the calories. If it comes out of a box, I wouldn't eat it. Just meat and veggies. Nuts, seeds, fruit. Don't overcomplicate it. At the end of the day, you got to eat to live, not live to eat. Simplicity is everything. When it's complicated, you don't want to do it. You want to quit super early. And remember, if you have ice cream, cake, soda, pastries, candy, bread, pasta, tortillas, you're not a quitter. You're not a failure. You only fail when you quit. So if you have cake on your kid's birthday, just start on the next meal. It's fine. This last weekend, I had the most delicious cinnamon rolls ever. You don't gain body fat from eating cinnamon rolls. You don't gain body fat from having the cake. Is it going to make your carb and sugar cravings go through the roof? Abso-freaking-lutely. Are you going to be bloated after eating it? 100%. So you got to just start on the next meal. Everything's okay. You didn't ruin the whole day because you had a cinnamon roll that day. You could have a cinnamon roll one day, and then for lunch, eat meat and veggies. For dinner, have meat and veggies, and everything's going to be okay. I promise. Don't get on the scale because you are going to retain probably 3 to 5 pounds of water weight because the carbs and sugars make you retain the water. But don't stress out about the scale. At the end of the day, we're all doing this to look good naked, ladies and gents. So keep it simple. Simplicity is everything. Stop overcomplicating it. Because this weight loss thing, it's not overcomplicated. I gave you the entire step-by-step plan for free. Just go to the website, FullertonNutrition.com. You don't know what your calorie goal is for weight loss? Go use the free calorie calculator. I will take away every single excuse of why you're not losing body fat. I do one-on-ones for free. Free. There's no catch. Go look at the before and after photos. Go look at the Fullerton membership. The before and after photos are on the Fullerton membership page. Those are real life people getting real life results. You just got to start.